The Commissioner of Food Safety on Wednesday issued a temporary closure order of 5 tea stalls in the Polo area. The temporary closure notice against the 5 tea stalls Lakshmi Mishtan Bhandar, Meghalaya Mishtan Bhandar, Vishal Sweet, Jalpan Sweet Stand and Rice Hotel and K Sweet was issued after they were closed down by the KSU members on Tuesday. The temporary closure notice was issued following an inspection by Assistant Commissioner of Food Safety, DBS Mukim, along with the staff of Shillong Municipal Board. Talking to reporters, Mukim said that all these 5 tea stalls are in a very unhygienic and unsanitary condition. Assistant Commissioner of Food Safety said that she will issue a proper closure order once she reaches her office, and also mentioned the points which these 5 tea stalls will need to comply with.
Yeah, it is in a very, very unhygienic and unsanitary condition. The way they prepare the food pose a great threat to the safety and health of the consumers. And drains are not properly, not there. And waste matters from these shops were not treated. So this is also another issue. And then I have also seen that these shops, they have directly, let off the garbage to the water directly to the stream.